Yeah, Stewart from Manchester, head coach. Away from here, I'm involved in football generally anyway, coaching a lot of individuals. I coach within clubs. I also work as a football development coordinator for Trafford Leisure, which is an arm of Manchester Council. Yeah, working with the players and working with Dan has been brilliant. Yeah, because we bounce off each other, you know. We've got all different levels of experience and knowledge, and it's just been a brilliant teamwork effort, and working with the lads and the girls as well who've been with us. It's been the most exciting. And meeting new people and networking with people I've never met in my entire life, you know, that's been terrific, you know. Yeah. I've been to a few football grounds in my life, and seeing Arsenal was great for me. I've never been to Arsenal before, West Ham United. And I think also meeting one or two of the more senior sort of teachers, because they've got a wealth of experience of education, which I didn't have that. And I've connected with them on a real level, where we can have a good laugh, communicate with each other, talk about things that you wouldn't normally talk about in the open domain, you know, because I'm not a young man anymore myself, so we can talk about stuff like that. Yeah, just being around the site. I love the facilities here. That's one of the things I like. Nature in particular, as you know. The ethos of it is fantastic, where learn a language, English, different cultures and backgrounds are coming together. I'd recommend it for that reason. The facilities in which it's being delivered, it's so pleasant. The concept is absolutely fantastic as well. And they're getting a really great football programme, as much as anything else, you know, which I think will get better and better as the years go by. Keep learning, keep listening, because one of the best, and it's a quote from Bruce Lee, this, yeah, and I've kept it in my mantra and thoughts. It's the most dangerous people are those who listen and observe. Yeah, the more you listen, the more your observations, the more you learn, and you can use it for yourself.